dito po, purely ang i-discuss po natin is all about the resumption for sickness benefit, for filing of sickness notification and sickness benefit reimbursement application, or the sickness benefit application for voluntary self-employed and separated employees. So, pursuant to the Social Security Commission Resolution Number 402 Series of 2023, dated September 20, 2023, approving the resumption of the prescriptive period for filing of sickness benefit in view of the Proclamation Number 297 dated July 21, 2023, or the lifting of the public health emergency throughout the Philippines due to COVID-19 as issued by the Office of the President. So, all sickness benefit po, claim that falls on March 1, 2020 until the start of the effectivity of this circular, the claim may still be filed within 60 days or extension of 60 days from the calendar days from the said of effectivity date. So, please be informed that the said circular was published in the Philippine Star and was also registered with the Office of the National Administrative Register on October 19, 2023. Hence, ang magiging effectivity date po natin for the circular number 2023-008 is October 19, 2023. So meaning po, starting March 1, 2022 until October 19 of 2023, all deadlines for sickness benefit claims that falls on March 1, 2020 or until October 19, 2023, claim may still be filed through the online system on or before December 18, 2023. So yun po yung last day ng effectivity date po, or the 60-day calendar effectivity date po nung extension po ng filing po doon po sa nasabi po nating ang contingency. So magbibigay po tayo doon ng example after this slide. So since nag-resume na po tayo ng lifting or nag-lift na po tayo ng extension period of filing, babalik na po tayo sa dating ruling po natin para po sa filing of notification and SBRA. Ito po yun sa screen natin. First po, for the sickness notification of employed, the rules of notifications are as follows. For home confinement, from employee to ER or employer, so within 5 calendar days after the start of confinement. And ER to SSS naman po is within 5 calendar days after the receipt from the employee. So, however, if the 5 calendar day notification period of the employee to the employer and the employer to SSS respectively may be done on the next working day if the last day of filing of sickness notification falls on a Saturday, Sunday, or holiday. However, should the member or employer fails to notify or file the reimbursement claim on the immediately succeeding or next working day, the usual procedure shall be applied in the evaluation based on the actual date of notification or reimbursement was received by the SSS. Okay po. So magbibigay po tayo ng sample cases po nito para mas clear din po. So since naman po yung before naman po ito na ruling, so medyo nakalimutan po natin since matagal po yung naging pandemic at naging matagal po yung duration ng extension period of filing. Kaya siguro some other employers po is nawala na po yung kung paano po i-compute yung ruling ng 5 days ng notification po natin. So, let us proceed to the hospital confinement naman po. So, employee to employer, not necessary since hospital discharge po siya. So, ER to SSS po within 1 year from the date of hospital discharge. So, for the SBR or for the SBA po, ito yung sickness benefit application for the self-employed, voluntary members, and separated from employee. employer, sorry. So for home confinement within 5 calendar days after the start of confinement. So for the hospital confinement naman, so kung mapapansin niyo po pala sa home confinement, wala na pong ER to SSS since ito po is for voluntary, separated, and uh, self-employed employees, members po ng SSS. So for home confinement naman po, within 1 year from the date of hospital discharge. The filing of the sickness benefit application shall be considered as notification of the member to the SSS. Yun po yung 5 calendar days from the start of confinement. So sa prescriptive period naman po for SBRA, once approved na po ito ng Medical Evaluation Center po natin, yung mga final po natin na sickness notification. So ang ifa-file po natin na prescriptive period for home confinement is 1 year from the start of confinement. And hospital confinement po, 1 year from the date of hospital discharge. So medyo baka po malito po tayo. So pag home confinement po, 1 year from the start of confinement, while hospital naman po is 1 year from the date of hospital discharge. So next po is the employer shall remind the employee of the submission of the required supporting documents for notification to avoid reduction or the worst denial of the claim po. Kasi possible po yun since bumalik na po tayo dun sa regular filing po of sickness notification. So, the employer's sickness notification must be approved by the SSS prior to the filing of SBRA. Kasi hindi naman po lalabas sa list of approved sickness notification ng employer's portal ang approved na sickness notification kung hindi po ito na-approve ng medical evaluation center natin. So, yun nga po, like what I said, the circular po was published in the Philippine Star and was also registered in the owner noong October 19, 2023. And in case the deadline for the sickness or involuntary separation benefit falls on March 1, the claim may be still be filed so until December 18. So 60 calendar days po 'yon. So magbibigay po tayo ng sample case po for the contingencies or deadlines that falls ng March 1, 2020 and October 19, 2023 para mas malinawan po ang ating mga minamahal na viewers and employers po regarding po sa pag-evaluate. Although ito po kasi is part na po ng ating mga processors, ang mga reviewers during the evaluation of the claim. So for example po is approved confinement period. So example na confinement period natin is October 21, 2022 to October 30, 2022. So yun nga po like what we said, deadline the deadline for sickness benefit that falls on March 1, 2020 until October 19, 2023 may still be filed. So since ito po is October 20, 2023 yung deadline po niya, so muna tayo mag-start. Syempre may late filing na po siya, subject na po siya for late filing. So, example lang po natin, this is for home confinement. Ang filing date po kasi niya is October 25, 2023. So, from the 1 year, away lang po. So, 1 year period immediately before that date, the claim of for benefit or reimbursement is received by the SSS. Ito po yung 1 year po niya. So, October 25, 2023, 1 year immediately po is October 25, 2022. So, nabawasan na po siya. Kaya ang magiging compensable na lang po niya is 6 days. Kasi from October 25, 2020, October 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 at up until October 30, 2022, yun na lang po yung magiging compensable number of days po niya since yung deadline of filing naman po is hindi po nag-fall sa October 19, 2023. Kaya po naging subject na po siya for late filing. So ito naman po yung sa notification po natin. Approved confinement period is October 1, 2023 to October 15, 2023. So sa evaluation po ng notification po natin, since ito po ay nag-fall ang notification po niya from EE to ER is October 6, 2023. So from October 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 days. So pasok po siya. And date of notification po ER to SSS is October 15, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, hanggang 10 days po yan. So, until October 11, hanggang October 15, notification. So, no late filing po ito ng ER since the deadline is within the prescriptive period of filing, yung notification po natin. So, ulitin ko po, October 1, 2023. Ang deadline po niya within 5 days is October 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, nag-fall po until October 19, 2023. Submission po ng deadline, kaya po hindi po siya na late filing during the evaluation. So, dito naman po sa next sample natin is yung may deduction po. So, for example, October 16, 2023 to October 30, 2023. So, ang 5-day period po niya, deadline is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, hanggang 21, hindi po nag-fall sa deadline na October 19 yung 5th day, deadline po ng notification that may result to subject for deduction. So, since October 23, 2022 yung kanyang notification, however, October 21, 2023 yung deadline, so may late filing na po siya ng 2 days. So, subject na po ito for late filing because the deadline of EE to ER is October 21, 2023, and however, it was filed on October 23, 2023. So, ang magiging compensable confinement period na lang po niya is October 18, 2023 to October 30, 2023 po. Ito naman po for hospital confinement. So, kung ang date natin is October 1, 2022 to October 30, 2022. However, di ba po, as previously tackled, ang hospital confinement po is magbe-base po tayo ng 1-year period from the date of hospital discharge. So, titingin po tayo sa date of hospital discharge na October 10, 2022. So, 1-year period po nito is until October 9, 2023. So, nag-fall po siya sa October 19, 2023 deadline wherein the claim is subject for payment since the deadline falls po from until October 19. So, ulitin po natin, pag hospital po, hospital discharge po tayo magbe-base ng 1-year prescriptive period. Pag to identify if subject pa po siya for extension na until December 19 po ang filing po nito. So, since pasok po siya sa deadline, good for payment po ito. So, next naman po, ang date of hospital, approved confinement period is October 21 to October 30, 2022. Again, this is hospital discharge. So, we will base the 1-year prescriptive period of filing on the date of hospital discharge. Hindi po sa approved confinement. So, October 25, 2022. So, 1-year period po inito is until October 24, 2023. So, ito po is hindi pumasok sa October 19, 2023 deadline. So, it's already beyond the deadline po. So, kahit sabihin po natin na meron po, sir, 1 day lang po ako na-late, bakit na-deny? Kasi po, per ruling po natin that for hospital confinement, if deadline of the 1-year prescriptive period will fall, within 1-year period, automatic subject na po ito for denial since meron na po tayong duration kasi na 1-year period, unlike dun po sa mga home confinement na hindi po nagkaroon ng hospital discharge. So kumbaga may leverage of time pa po talaga si employer and member to file the member sickness benefit because na-hospitalize po siya. So, yun po yung parang pinaka-consideration na po ni employer, ni SSS po sa mga members na na-confine at na-hospitalize po.